buba, traditional Yoruba buba. So that is what I'll be taking you on how to cut and sew. So what are the measurements you need? You need your buba length, your buba width, your buba sleeve length, the round sleeve of the buba, the neck width of your buba, and the neck depth of your buba. If you are sewing for the first time, sewing it for your client for the first time, you need to take this measurement. But if it's just a client, some do bring a sample of the buba. So these are the measurements we need. So I have cut, this is the fabric I want to use for the buba. To know the length of the fabric you are using, you will cut twice of the length of your buba with allowance. Twice of the length of your buba with allowance. For example, here my buba length is 26. I'll be adding allowance of 1 inch. That makes 27. So 27 in 2 places, that is 54. So the length of this piece of cloth I want to use to cut the buba is 54. So you fold your fabric into 2 like this. I folded it into 2. Then you fold it again, because if the traditional Yoruba buba doesn't have joining at the shoulder, so you fold it again. Fold it again. So we have the length now. We just want to achieve our width. So the width is 25. 25 divided by 2 will give me 12.5. Then I will be adding seam allowance of half inch. Half inch is enough for your buba. That makes 13. So I'm taking my 13. You take your 13 all through. You take your 13 all through and cut out. And cut. If the row you want to make is the type that we have joining at the upper part or middle part or down part, in Yoruba language we call it alakun. If it will have alakun, is this piece that you have removed from the side that you will join together for the alakun. That is just if it will have. So to this place, from this edge, from this place, see like this. This is where you take your neck. So my neck width is 3.5 inches. So 3.5, and the neck depth is 4.5. So 4.5. I'm using a round neck. Most times you use round neck, then you curve it out. You curve it out. Then this place, the folded part here, you notch it. That is to so that you know where the middle part falls. Now I want to cut the sleeve. I want to cut the sleeve. So I have cut out my pattern that I'll be using for the sleeve. My sleeve, my round sleeve is 12. So I folded the fabric. I'm cutting the 2 sleeves together. My round sleeve is 12. So what do I have here? I have 12. I'll be adding half inch allowance to it. I'll be adding you can add half inch or 0.75 or 1 inch. But this one I'll be adding 1 inch. Let me add 1 inch. So that makes 13. So this is okay for my width. Now for the length, the first thing you do is from this part you take 4 inches. You take 4 inches. These 4 inches will be folded in, so it's not part of our length. So the length, my length is 13.5. Then I'm adding half inch to it. That will give me 14. So I'm taking 14 like this. I'm taking 14. So 14. Then I will cut it out here. I will cut it out here. Then notch this place so that we know where I'll be folding in from. And we are done with the cutting. I'll show you the sewing process. I've sewn the sleeve like this. This is what I did. I folded the 4 inches and I sewed it. Then I'm using this one. I've sewn this. After sewing in the 4 inches, you take your sewing allowance, then you notch the center here. Notch the center here. This is the main body. This is the body. I've turned the neck. I've turned the neck with bias and I've ended it. So the notch we made up here, this is what you do. Your sleeve, bring your sleeve out. Bring it out. Then right side of this to right side of this, the notch we made here, match the notch together. Then from this center, sew till you get to this place, till you get to the joining here. Then sew till you get to the joining here. I'll do that and show it to you. I've sewn the sleeve to it the way I described. So I've sewn it. So this is what you have now. Then from here, let me tell you like this. From where it stopped, you start sewing. From where your sewing stopped, then you start sewing, and from the down part you measure 6 inches. Then you stop your sewing there. I've done that at the other side like here. This is what I'm talking about. I've sewn it to here. Then you turn this. You leave this. This is for the opening by the side. Then the next thing is just for you to finish the edges. Just turn the edges. I've sewn it and I've turned the side. This is the opening by the side, and this is the sleeve. This is how the sleeve looks. You can see this place is not rumpled, it is not folded, it is straight, and there's no joining here. So this is what we have finally. This is our buba. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and most importantly subscribe to this channel. See you next time. Bye.